Hello, and welcome to our new vocabulary app, StudyBuddy. This app provides studying opportunities wherever you may be. StudyBuddy provides efficient study tools that tracks your progress with accurate data throughout your learning journey. There could be no more excuses to be cooped up at home to study. The StudyBuddy app is your friend that will ensure you study even on the go. Let's take a look at our persona, Ava. At the ripe age of 22, a senior in computer science at Columbia University, Ava prepares for the major life changes that come with transitioning into her first professional role after graduation. Hoping to achieve her goals with minimal stress as a full time student with a part time job, Ava acts as a representation of our target audience for StudyBuddy. These are individuals who balance many responsibilities who need access to their study materials on the fly. Sounds familiar? Maybe this app can help you as well. However, here's the problem. Ava is diagnosed with general anxiety disorder and needs to find a solution that ensures she can stay organized and motivated throughout her busy schedule. We know she is able to achieve this goal when she is able to study consistently without too much added stress to her already hectic days, which includes her social clubs, part time job, and of course, her coursework. Let's take a look at some of Ava's challenges. One of her current complaints includes that as a busy person with many things to balance, Ava needs a convenient solution to study between her different activities. Ava's doubts in her own progress towards studying for each class continues to add to her anxiety. Quotes that we hear from Ava often include, I'm worried that I won't be able to get interview practice to get a job in the tech industry because I'm too focused on studying for my finals. I also don't want to sacrifice my current part time job and extracurriculars as I get ready to graduate. To solve some of Ava's complaints, the Study Buddy's earlier prototypes include a homepage organizing Ava's daily studying habits, her study progress, and achievements. Study Buddy includes an assessment summary that tells Ava how many questions she got correct and missed while including how much time it took to complete an assessment. An option to prioritize missed questions in the flashcard deck is also included to ensure Ava fills her learning gap during her study sessions. A settings page is available to Ava to create an account where she can save her progress across multiple devices, whether it be on her phone, on an iPad or a tablet, or on her computer. She can also create notifications to study and schedule these alerts to fit within her busy schedule. In addition, we have a splash screen, login, and sign up. For first-time users, we see our aesthetic logo on the splash page, and we have included a quick and efficient user sign-in or registration. Afterwards, 3 onboarding pages will introduce what StudyBuddy offers, what users can do, and what StudyBuddy can help you achieve. During the early prototypings of StudyBuddy, the self-assessment process is outlined as being accessible from an organized flashcard deck page and given as an option during study time. The assessment will include a variety of question types such as true or false, matching, fill in the blank, and so much more. 2 pages will be shown depending on whether the users get a question right or wrong. Getting an answer correct efficiently moves our users through the assessment, while getting an incorrect answer will reinforce the correct answer through a review page of the missed question. This ensures users are actively learning through mistakes made during the assessment. And finally, we see our assessment summary page with our test results. During the creation of StudyBuddy, it was very important to create usability test plans. These test plans included signing up for StudyBuddy, where users should easily be able to register for the app. We also included a plan to edit profile settings to ensure users are able to tailor the app to fit within their schedule. Another test plan included users adding new flashcards, testing to ensure that one of the primary functions of the app is actually working properly and is intuitive. And finally, the last test plan includes accessing self assessments. This test was to ensure users are able to see their progress and become closer to reaching their learning goals. After usability testing, a common problem from our users was understanding how to make flashcards in StudyBuddy. This problem was resolved by improving the prototype to include a dynamic tutorial, helping users during their first time creating a flashcard. Another user problem was understanding the homepage and ensuring the app settings were inclusive of users' needs. This problem was also solved by including a dynamic tutorial during a user's first visit to the homepage to ensure navigation is clear. Access to the settings was also taught and ensured features such as password change and a contact button was included to meet the needs of our users. After conducting our usability testing, we have come to the conclusion of some pros and cons. Some pros included that it is very important to understand what users need to know. For example, knowing what each icon does, what the main feature is, etc. In addition, being able to identify and address a problem that not many users realize you are solving for them. Also, learning how to rid user flows of redundancy. And finally, our last pro is understanding how users interact with a feature through usability testing. Many of the pros often led to a deeper understanding of how our users actually interact with our product and what their needs and questions may be as they use our product. Some of the cons after usability test planning including that balancing an informative but brief tutorial is difficult to achieve. As a developer, we always want to ensure that our users' questions are answered. But at the same time, users don't have that much time, and therefore, we as developers should ensure that the information they need is quick and easy to understand. In addition, using icons without text requires a deep thinking of what is identifiable to users. For example, a flashcard deck should look like or resemble a deck of cards, or maybe a library, etc. In addition, editing prototypes can be very time consuming. There are always places and areas in which the app can be improved, and therefore, prototypes are constantly being edited. And finally, choosing terminology that users can understand can be very difficult. Many users might not have the background necessary to understand what us as a developer is trying to convey. And it is very important that the terminology is understandable across many age groups. In addition, our next steps include to continue to conduct usability tests to ensure that prototypes are solving users' needs and main features are efficient to solving the user's problems. In addition, we would like to start creating high fidelity prototypes with final decisions of the app's main feature. Thank you so much for taking this time to learn about our new vocabulary app called StudyBuddy, a friend to always study with you wherever you are on the go. Thank you.